Money Moves with Mem 2.0, the podcast. And always remember, gentlemen, it's a mother movie. So today we're going to go ahead and jump into this video. We're going to be reacting to a traffic stop. Another modern woman, thinking she can sway and do whatever. She can do whatever she wants and not have any consequences. But without further ado, make sure you guys thumbs up the video and let's hop straight into the content.
I wouldn't even be back here if I was white. Forgot it's Black History Month, so I ought to go to jail, huh?
On February 18th, 2023, officers conducted a traffic stop on a vehicle observed driving erratically.
Michael Jackson gas at a Seminole.
Can you roll down all the windows,
She's
please?
out the van. I had to pull over here.
Where is she?
I don't know. She said she running to the car.
Nah, no one got out of this car.
Yes, you wasn't looking back there.
Nah, no one got out of this car. It's behind you the entire time.
Okay.
You have your license on
Hey.
you? You just switched seats on me.
No, I did not.
You have your license on you.
I'm a hot bitch, so I wasn't there. What the?
Give me your license, please.
I don't have a license, sir.
All right, what's your name?
I'm from.
Why is, my question is, why is she all hostile with the officer? You gotta question yourself sometimes and be like, if you didn't do nothing, what's the issue? Like, why are you all like her body language sucks, bro. Sound like she been smoking she a woman that been smoking a bunch of cigarettes, drinking cheap alcohol, smoking the ganja, but let's keep it moving though.
I believe there's only one person in the vehicle. She just switched seats on me. She's trying to say that the driver.
Hey, you talking about I'm switching? Can you tell him? Hey, what did you just do? That's what I'm saying. Come on, bro.
All right, so come back then, right now.
He said, can you come back?
I'm set for it.
He said, can you come back? She says, come on, bro. I ain't got to lie.
You ain't gonna fool me.
I ain't got to fool you. I'm my bitch, so I won't help you in no thing. Yeah, I'm not trying to argue back here. Come on.
What's your name, miss?
Hey guys, a lot of times the police usually be aware when people try to, they probably ran into some of the most craziest stuff on the road, so it'd be different to just give the police officer a good day and try not to fucking break the law. And if you do get pulled over, sir, no sir, have his stuff ready, make it easy for him so he can make an easy transition to giving you the ticket or whatever else he's trying to do, and then getting out of there. There's no reason to get hostile with him, bro. That's just how I feel. Unless you have been wrong. But right now, I don't see that in this video.
I'm at 1 and 1, sir.
He's talking about he been behind me the whole time. If you been behind me the whole time.
I've been behind you the entire
So
time.
you didn't see her jump out?
Nah, you were
So I was just driving the whole
Are you gonna let
time?
me talk?
I'm sorry, go ahead.
Yeah, talking over this man like
I
that.
was behind you the entire time. No one jumped out from the seat.
He's talking about I was changing lanes.
As a matter of fact, you wanna know how I know?
Go ahead.
Look, where are your shoes at? Where are your shoes at?
Yeah, when she...
They're in the driver's seat.
Definitely, when she jumped out of that side.
Where are your shoes at?
My shoes right here. If she jumped out on me in the middle of the road, what was I supposed to do?
So why are your shoes over here then?
If she jumped out on me in the middle of the road, what was I supposed to do?
It's a lie to the devil. Guys, if you ever meet a woman like this, stay clear away from her, because she ain't no good, bro. Like, she'll lie, like, come on, bro, like, take your charge. You knowing you probably not supposed to be driving anyway, So, but it was a good one. I can't say it was a good one. If I was a new officer, she probably would have got one over on me. But, most veterans who pull over people on a consistent basis. They got all type of unthinkable things that you think people wouldn't do. They do it. So a lot of these guys be extra cautious. And yeah, they have stereotypes about black people, but if you pulling game and you know that's dumb, like that you know you ain't gonna get away with, then you making everybody right. But let's keep it moving.
Stay in the vehicle, please. Stay in the vehicle, please. No one jump out of this car. Man, do me a favor and roll down all the windows to the vehicle.
Yeah, nobody could. Usually when somebody jumps out of a car and is fleeing, that door will still be open. Those are facts. Like, I never seen nobody hop out of a car and slam it and close it at the same time.
You're doing too much. Like, you ain't never been in such a above apartment before. Look whatever you want to look for. Now he been rolling in the...
She was driving erratically on First Avenue South, headed eastbound, changing lanes, and then she went northbound on 1. We stopped at this light. The light turned green. She come over here, and then she said someone else fled from the
That's not, and usually that will be just a ticket or something. You know, it might have been a ticket, it was driving erratically, you know, probably a ticket or something like that, I would think. But the question that raised my eyebrows is, what is this person hiding? Why is they trying to escalate this traffic stop? And that's what a lot of modern American ladies and black people don't understand. Like, right, like, just don't do it. Like, if you want to drive with a couple of peas in the trunk, just be like, nah, I ain't gonna do that today. Nah, don't do it, bro. And then you won't have nothing to worry about. You'll have something to fight if they is racially profiling you. But let's keep it moving.
No way, right? No. You not want to know how I got her to? I asked her where her shoes are. Her shoes are underneath the driver's seat. She's not wearing shoes on her feet. Hey, sir, did you see anyone jump out from this vehicle? What was that? Did you see anybody run from the driver's seat? Nah, he was right there the entire time, Miss Martin. Thank you. Take her out. Put her in cuffs.
He was behind me. He was behind me right there. Put me in handcuffs.
I'm just being the same. Just being the same.
Don't touch me. I'm coming.
I'm talking about like all these people, all these modern American black people who be talking about keeping it real and stuff like that. It seems like as soon as you guys have an interaction with the police, that's when y'all just start yap, running 1,000,000 miles a minute. But I guess that's just in the street code, I guess. You know, I'm just gonna argue, and you know, there's no reason for me to see judge a man by the content of his character, like get to know the officer instead of calling him racist and oh, you don't know what you're talking about and stuff like that. Instead of just judging people, you know. And it's like, that's why I be telling people, like, I'm done with the victim blaming. Just because I'm a brother, you know what I'm saying, I'm a brother from Memphis, you know, that don't mean nothing, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm a human being. And just because somebody looks like me doesn't mean they have my best interests. And just because somebody doesn't look like me doesn't mean they're against me. But let's keep it moving.
Alright, you good? Don't touch my phone. Don't touch my phone. Okay, don't touch my phone.
Don't touch my phone.
They put me in handcuffs, baby. You call my mama. Don't break the iPhone 14. Thank you, baby.
And it's sad, he ain't even got no bum money. Call my mama.
Why you sitting there lying? He wasn't not behind me the whole time. Cause if he behind me the whole time, he would see my lady dropped out. Just lying and shit. She think I want to be driving with someone I've been to her. My lady was arguing with me. She dropped out. I dropped in the way. You did all right.
Yeah, she jumped out, and no, she didn't, because she's all the way over by Parks and Rec. I drove past her.
That's why we got into it.
Yeah, she has. She keeps saying she's a habitual, and what I know about habituals, and when you think of somebody, a habitual is somebody who repeats the same crime over and over again. And right now, like, there's no way you getting out of handcuffs talking about you're a habitual. Like all this self-snitching and stuff that's going on in the black community. you know, and judging people before getting to know him. He probably would have been the greatest person in the world to you. Probably would have gave you what's up, you know. You can't judge people off of nothings, you know.
She's running up here now. That's why we got into that. Y'all don't be paying attention.
I was out there with you guys earlier, so I know who your girl is.
So what she got on?
Same outfit as you, same shirt.
Exactly. So you see her get out, right? I
No,
pushed her out.
she was 3 blocks in that direction when I came by.
And he just pulled me right here at the light. Exactly. Yeah. Talking about that man was back there. You just fucked that man on the side of the building right here. Y'all lying ass. They already put me in handcuffs. I'm finna go to jail.
And guys, Quotisha right here with the weave that's sticking all up over her head, the burgundy weave, guys. You know, she's been crazy the whole time. Like, as soon as he hit the car, like, it was just automatically, oh, I'm just about to throw him whatever, and I'm getting off on this stuff right here. You know what I'm saying? Sound like she been drinking Coronas and smoking cigarettes and Black and Milds. You know, her voice sound worse than mine. Yeah, it's crazy, bro.
No, I'm saying they talking about she didn't jump out the car. Look at your shirt. We was arguing. You wearing this?
Go back, go.
They don't want you right here. They don't want the keys. It's all down. I'm going up on the sidewalk to catch your breath. Don't touch me.
Go hang out over there.
Can you call my best friend? Can you call my best friend? I need my keys back. It is me.
Sit back down.
I'm the one.
Sit back down.
I'm
Sit
the
back
one.
down.
I'm the one that was driving, but I never fucked the middle of the...
Oh, that's a real chick right there, though. You hear me? Hey, even if she was lying, that's still the real chick, though. You know what I'm saying? She, you know, she like, if you go, I'm gonna be dumb with you. Yeah, for real. Even if I wasn't driving, I was driving. I'm the driver. You know, it's crazy, bro.
Damn straight. That's stupid. I feel sorry for it. Somebody I do. I wouldn't even lie to you. I just seen you a couple hours ago. I was dumbing in the lie to you, bro. Somebody you been behind me the whole time. You would have seen that. We just seen you downtown. Remember?
Yes, ma'am. I remember that.
Yeah, you remember. I was there when you were driving. It's all right. We don't worry about it. Hey, you call my mama. I just told you that I'm a habitual.
She just said that she's a habitual. Like, why you keep saying that? Like, I don't think she knows what habitual means. And saying it to the police is not a good idea, bro. Like, it's just like, you know what I'm saying? You habitually, it's just like if you do the same crime over and over again, that makes you a habitual. And she keeps saying she's a habitual. And the more that you did something crazy, that's the more time you're going to get. You know what I'm saying? Because you do it over and over again.
I ain't got a fuck thing on me, so don't touch me. Thank you. I don't want. Oh, hey, can you get my AirPods? I don't want to have my AirPods. My AirPods. Yeah.
Look at that, the wind blowing all good. It was a nice day to take a walk, park that car and take a walk and chill. But no, you going to jail. You know, easy. This is absolutely insane though, right here.
Take your AirPods, Eddie back pocket.
Y'all doing too much. Scary ass. Okay. Yeah, fucking scary ass down. I will. Yeah, you want to first.
Here's your.
Sis, can you come down to the job, please? To get the car.
Ma'am, you can't go in the car.
One thing I know, when you get somebody, I cannot definitely go in the car. I know that already. I'm calling the owner of the car. I'm not trying to go in the car. Ooh,
Where did you jump out of the car?
on 3rd Street and 3rd Avenue, right at like
Right where I
4th
passed
Street.
you. Right where I drove past
Right
you.
by 4th Street. We got into a real heated argument. I just hopped out of the car and left in the middle of the road.
And then she
And
drove.
she jumped the season for
So she drove and then did the wrong thing or whatever, you know what I'm saying? Then he pulled her over. That's crazy. And judging by the voice of this lady, yeah, they probably was arguing, you know what I'm saying? And here she go crying, getting all emotional and stuff like that. Like, what is she really going to jail for right now? Like, they act like she got a life sentence or something. I thought this was just a reckless driving charge. Like, you'll be out tomorrow type stuff. Like, but I just feel like this doesn't have to go this far, but it might just be me though, you know.
She's saying she jumped out by like 3-3 or 1-3 or something like that. Yeah. So, and then she switched seats and drove to here. So she's 100% the driver. We know that. Yeah. So we know that. And now she's trying to play games saying she's not driving, but she was. So.
Sounds like instruction to me.
Yeah.
Call Miss Julia, please. Call Miss Julia, please.
And Diego, car smells like weed, so. There's like shake all over the
You
place.
see what happens when, guys, I'm gonna stop this video right here, but you see what happens when you're negative, when you're arguing, when you have bad things on your mind, and you can't focus, and you ain't thinking positive, you ain't thinking right. That's when stuff like this happens. So I'm just gonna drop you with that jewel. Make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe. If you guys want to finish this video, I'm gonna leave the link in the description to the channel below. I'm gonna holler at you guys next time. Over now.